If you want to remove a SIM card from OPPO Find X9, then in that case we're gonna take a look at the bottom of the phone where we have our SIM tray. And of course we need to use an eject tool or something similar to the eject tool to put it into this SIM tray hole. So just put it in. There we go. And use a little bit of force in order to push out the SIM tray. Once the SIM tray comes out, at least slightly, then of course we need to use fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray completely from the phone. Now, in my case, I have both SIM cards inserted into the SIM tray. So in order to remove the SIM card, what you might need to do, this one actually just got out. What you might need to do is slightly, gently, just a little bit bend from one side to make the SIM card pop out. As you can see now, it popped out quite easily. I'm gonna drop it over here, and let's do the same thing with the other one. So use just tiny bit of force in order to push it from the other side to make sure that the SIM tray pops out. And of course, after that, we're gonna insert the SIM tray back into the phone. Make sure that, of course, it is fully in. So if you push it down with your finger, make sure that it goes fully in. It doesn't stick out or anything like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.